SAP Developer News for August the 30th, 2026.
We have super exciting news about developers.sap.com, the SAP Developer Center website. Now, this has been the center of the SAP developer world for a number of years, but we're super excited that we've finally been able to upgrade the technology underneath the website, and that's going to make so many new things possible. Well, first of all, the entire site is developed on the SAP Business AI platform. We use the cloud application programming model. We're using a Fiori-based UI, which means we get nice new look and feel, built-in support for light and dark mode, and a user interface that you're familiar navigating. The backend is a HANA database, and that brings capabilities for utilizing the vector engine, the knowledge graph, and we have tons more information on the site about how it was built. So it in and of itself is a learning experience. But the other thing that we wanted to do, there's so much information in the SAP world that people often say, I don't know where to start. I don't know how to get from one thing to another. We really wanted the centerpiece of the site to help you with that experience. Simple verbs. Do you want to learn something? Do you want to build something? Do you want to integrate something? And then each of these take you to more information about products, services, capabilities, samples, whatever. And it explains to you why you would be interested in each of these things. We also have easy access to upcoming events, the latest videos from the SAP Developers YouTube channel, feature tutorials, community information, but only the kinds of information or news that would be relevant to developers, topic clusters, and many more links. Now, of course, we still have tutorials on the site. That's one of the centerpieces of the site. The tutorial navigator is here. All the tutorial functionality that you've come to know and love over the years, now with a completely revised user interface, again, with the kinds of experiences that you would expect. And one of the most exciting parts of this, the entire website is Joule enabled. So anywhere in the site, whether you need suggestions on where to start learning, what tutorials to use, where to pick up where you left off, or help with a specific tutorial, you're stuck on a particular step, the Joule assistant that's built into the tutorial center can see the tutorial content and offer you specific help on specific steps, answer additional questions, really go beyond what's just the information in the tutorial itself. So it's like having an instructor there to hold your hand throughout it all. And last but not least, this is the new home of Devtoberfest. We're going to be able to do many more exciting things with Devtoberfest this year and make the whole process so much simpler with things like an inbuilt calendar that links you directly to sessions, ability to claim your points directly in the website, and so much more. Over the coming weeks, I'm going to be doing detailed videos at SAP Developers YouTube channel on the different capabilities of the new site, so be on the lookout for those. There's so much more to show you.
Hey friends, Rich Heilman here. Well friends, I have to say the last few months have had a lot of surprises for me. But this one I just didn't see coming at all. SAP has just closed one of the most requested gaps between its desktop and browser-based clients. For years, users of SAP GUI for HTML, the browser client, had to edit long text using a clunky command line style editor, while their colleagues on the Windows desktop enjoyed a modern graphical experience. That's now all changed. The new graphical SAPScript, yes, I said SAPScript text editor, brings point-and-click WYSIWYG editing to the browser. No plugins, no Microsoft Word, no technical formatting commands, just a clean, modern interface that works the way users expect. Existing documents don't need to be migrated, and the feature is available now via SAP Notes for customers on S/4HANA 2020 and above. For SAP users who live in a browser all day, it's a long overdue upgrade. For more information, check out the blog post linked to in the show notes. Bye for now.
If you're looking to explore Joule Work, and in particular Joule Work Desktop, then Matthias Kemeter has a blog post for you. Standalone, Joule Work Desktop is already a worthy assistant that runs locally, accessing your email and calendar data, for example, but the real power lies in giving it more context, giving access to tools and information that can help to enrich the capabilities and make your experience more personalized. The blog post is playfully written by Joule Work Desktop itself and talks in the third person about Matthias, who keeps detailed notes that are authored and organized in Obsidian and in the real lingua franca, or shall I say, former franca of this new golden age, Markdown. With an MCP server that he put together called VaultGate, he made these notes accessible to Joule Work Desktop, massively increasing its efficacy and making it, and his use of it as his daily assistant, so much more powerful. Check out Matthias's blog post, link in the description.
Hello SAP community, the countdown to SAP Devtoberfest has begun. Get ready to dive into new technologies, sharpen your skills, experiment with AI, connect with SAP experts, and join the developers all around the globe. Devtoberfest and SAP TechEd event will run from September 21st to October 18, 2026. Like in previous years, we have dedicated tracks for each of the day, and with emphasis on data and AI, we have kept 2 tracks for data and AI related topics. So on Monday, we start with Extending the Core, which has ABAP Cloud and extension related topics. Tuesday is all about data topics. Wednesday is about integration. Thursday is about AI. Everything you want to know about Joule Work, Joule Studio, AI Core, Generative AI Hub is on Thursday. And Friday is about building the apps using CAP or Wi-Fi technologies. And all throughout the 4 weeks, we do have some fun activities because we also want you to have some fun while learning. Daniel is already working on the scavenger hunt and crossword puzzle, and you can expect some interesting fun activities there. And to get started, you need to join the Devtoberfest group. And as you can see, we have a brand new page created by our own Thomas Young. This page will have all the information about the activities, the upcoming sessions, the tutorials, leaderboard, and everything that you need to know about the event. So to join the group, you need to log into Developer Center, hit the Join the Group button, accept the terms and conditions, and you're in. So watch out this page for more, and we keep updating you about the activities as and when it gets confirmed. Happy learning!